Hello, my students, and welcome to another week in math. We are still under the same folder, Unit 4, Rates and Proportions. And as you are all aware, we are going to still be reviewing rates. We're going to be reviewing ratio tables and also unit rates, as well as equivalent ratios. Okay, now the main thing that I want to focus on with this video is your upcoming assignment. This is due April 23rd, and this is a really fun project that I love to do in the class where we bring grocery ads and we start comparing. But due to COVID-19 and us trying to be safe, we are going to do everything digitally. So let's go ahead and click on this. Now, when you click on this, you are going to have your assignment on this part, of course, but then the instruction says you have been given the assignment of completing a grocery shopping for the family. You want to get the best deal on the foods you buy and stay within your budget. Okay, you don't want to owe any money. You want to buy everything that is assigned to you. But to do this, you must first check the unit rate of each item, and you're going to select which one out of those two items to purchase and calculate the final total cost. Okay, now there's two attachments right here. So you decide if you want to go grocery shopping with your family. If your mom or dad goes this week, you could go ahead and go with them. But the safest way is for you to go online and look for the items. Now, I have two here in case you want to use these two. It's absolutely fine and it's safe. So when you click on the food for less, it's going to give you the items. You could look at the ads for the week, and then we're going to compare it with Walmart, the grocery at Walmart. Okay, now I'm going to click here to look at what we need to do first. Okay, now first of all, please go ahead and put your name. You do have two parts for this assignment. Okay, and I want you to look. I know it says 5 pages, but I have broken this apart so good for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and go up. And it says here, we're going to set the scene. So again, you're going to find out what you're going to purchase. So you're going to find the foods, your food items in the store. Okay, I'm going to help you with that right now because I'm going to give you an example. Then you're going to write down the price for one option. Then you're going to find a second option for your food. Then we're going to be doing this in the class. Okay, so once you do this part, we're going to meet on Thursday and we're going to calculate the unit rate for both items. Now again, you could do this on your own if you like, but we're going to be doing this in class. So it is very important that you have this ahead of time. Then you're going to calculate the difference and see which item is least expensive. And at the end, you're going to add up your entire cost and see how much you purchased. Okay, now the grocery list, this is what you need to buy. And again, we're pretending we're buying this, but if you want to buy it and make yourself a good snack, you could. But you need jelly, you need eggs, you need bread, you need ice cream, yay, and you need peanut butter. This is what you're going to be looking for, okay? Now, it says here the first item that you're going to find is jelly. Okay, so you have option A and option B. So for this jelly, I'm going to get option A could be food for less. And option B, that means what other store are you going to compare it with? I'm going to compare it with Walmart. So you could move this and just put El Superior, or for me, in my case, would be food for less. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go into food for less search items. Okay, it's going to take me to my food for less. Okay, now where it says search product, you could actually type in what you're looking for. So what are we looking for again? I'm looking for jelly. Now I'm going to type in jelly. Okay, I am going to choose what jelly I want. Okay, I like, in my family, we like this one right here. So it's Smuckers or Smuckers. I love that commercial. I'm not sure if you seen it, but it says it's $3.09. It's on special right now for 18 ounces. Look at that unit. Okay, so it's $3.09 for 18 ounces. So I'm going to put here, my cost is $3, and I'm going to make sure I use my good numbers. So $3.09, right? Oops, sorry. Yeah, $3.09. And then 18 ounces. Okay, so it's going to be $3.09 for 18 ounces. Okay, now don't worry about this one yet, because again, we are going to be doing this in the class, but now you go to option B. Now, this was food for less. I need to compare it with another store. I have this one for you, so I could put Walmart. Okay, now for Walmart, I do the same thing. I'm just going to put, since this is already good for the grocery, I'm just going to type in right here, jelly. Oops. Okay. And now I'm going to compare it. Now, I'm going to be looking for the same one that I have over here. So notice it says strawberry jam. I'm going to look for strawberry jam. Okay. And notice that it says $2.97, but it says 32 ounces. Okay. Can I get this one? Well, it's not really the same, but I found it over here too. You decide if you want to do this one, but we'll talk about it in class. Or I'm going to look for this one. It says 18 ounces, the same one as the other one. So I'm going to put $2.92. So this one is, oopsie, there's my dollar sign, $2 with, and again, I look at this, 92 cents. Okay, 92 cents. And this is also for 18 ounces. Okay, now I got my option A and my option B. Okay, based on this, which one is my better? Which one's better to buy? Which one cost? How much does this item cost? And again, we're going to go over the unit price in the class. Okay, but for right now, I just want you to put this. Now that was jelly. You're going to do the same with the eggs. Okay, and again, you're comparing this option with this one, but change it. If this is superior, put superior, or if it's food for less, put food for less. This one too. I need to know what your options are. Okay, then you're going to do the same thing with bread. Then you're going to do the same thing with ice cream. Then you're going to do the same thing with peanut butter. So remember, these you're going to do alone, but then we're going to be focusing on this in the class. Then it says calculate your total cost. So based on which one was the better option, you're going to add them all up and see, hey, this is how much I had to pay. There is also a part 2. Okay, now this one, now that you have figured out your grocery shopping and you're going to have some money left, okay, you're going to discover you and your friends are going to have 75 cents. Yep, not $75, 75 cents to spend on treats, so you could split them up. Okay, but you need to decide which item to buy where the unit rate per item is 75 cents or less. So that means you need to find the unit rate for one item that is less than 75 cents. And you cannot spend more than $5. So you need to now go back in here and get yourself any treat that you want. Any candy, any chips, whatever you want. But you need to make sure that the unit rate is less than 75 cents. Okay, and you cannot spend more than $5 for your treat for you and your friends. Okay, so possible items to buy. This is what you may want to buy. You could buy cookies, or maybe muffins, maybe a donut, I don't know, you tell me, and you're going to tell me from this one, or this one, which one you want, what's the total cost, and divide it by how many amount you have. So for example, if I want to go look for cookies, I love, my favorite cookies are chocolate chip cookies. Okay, chocolate chip cookies. Okay, my bad. Okay, so Chips Ahoy, of course. So notice, this says $1.99, but then it has 13 ounces. How many cookies are there? So I need to find out what cookies I could buy. So for example, this one is for $4 right here. Okay, but it has 10. So I could buy this one if it's less than 75 cents for each. So if I have 10 cookies here, but it's for $4, how much is it for one cookie? If it is less than 75 cents, I could actually buy it. Okay, so let's see. If I go like this, I say, okay, you know what? It's $4. It's less than 5, so I could buy it. But if it has 10 cookies, there's 10 cookies. Oopsie, I need to know how to spell. Cookies, okay. How much is it for one cookie? So I need to do my unit rates. I need to calculate it. Now, if I click on my drawing table right here, my feature, if I have 4, let me get this over here and fix this. Now I could go over here and put scribble. So if I have 4, okay, over 10, because I am trying to turn this 10 into a 1. If you remember our notes, okay, I need to be able to take this 10 and turn it into a 1. So that means I need to divide, okay, my denominator by my same denominator. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm taking a while, and divide this also by 10. Oopsie, I'm trying to do this. So 4 divided by 10, that is going to give you 0.40. Okay, oops, there you go. So that means for one cookie, I actually have 40 cents. So I could put this in there. Okay, so I'm going to put save and close, and I could just put everything in here. So that means I have 40 cents for one cookie. That's my treat. That is it. Okay, so again, you could use this. Now, how did I put this information in here? If you want to go ahead and show your work, all you need to do is click on Insert. And then you're going to click on Drawing, click New. Okay, and once you have this little pad right here, you could go ahead and click on Line and put Scribble, and then you could start writing on it. Okay. All right, my kids, have fun with this. So tell me, which one did you select? Explain why you chose this one. And again, congratulations on your shopping trip. Believe it or not, this is how I actually get my, like my mom says, la marqueta. Okay, this is how I get my grocery. I just order it and then I get it delivered. But for you guys, again, you could look at all the wonderful options. Have fun with it. Again, this is due. If we go back into our class, this is due Friday, April 23rd. When you are done, all you have to do is click submit. Any questions? Feel free to contact me. Have fun!